Trying to make a little video. It's my 04 350Z. Had it for like 6 years. It's cool, I guess. Z1. But it's a little rough, dog. Got the Koenigs. Body kit's MSA Type 7 body kit. Some carbon fiber mirror caps. What else we got? GTS roof spoiler. Wheels are 18 by 9.5. Got these faded headlights. Got some bird, you know what. Motordyne ART pipes. I think Circuit Works wide pipe resonated. Yeah, Z1 muffler. It's got a Z1 Midweight Flywheel, Z1 clutch, Wildwood clutch, master cylinder, BC coils. Got a lot of little things done to it. Bell Raceworks diff brace. Got upgraded diff bushings. A lot of rust. Ugh, man. It's got some chassis bracing under it too. Forget what brand that is, but whatever. It's pretty fun. Interior dirty, dog. I have not driven this thing really all of 2023. Trying to get it back together 2024. 190,000 miles. Hey, listen, your car will not blow up, dog. Just check your oil and drive that shit. It's fun. Think about selling it. I don't know. S2000 antenna, little Honda parts. Yep. What else I got done to this thing? It's got the brake master cylinder brace. Like if you're under hard braking, keeps the master cylinder steady, and I guess gives you more precise braking. What else we got, man? A lot of bushings. I think I said front sway bar, Whiteline endlinks. Just a bunch of little stuff, man. Just to make it fun around the corners and all that. I'd like to keep it and swap it, because we definitely not throwing no turbo on no DE at 190,000 miles. That's crazy. But yeah, man.